guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on a inexpensive way to do a fire pit in your backyard. So what I have going on is I found a fire pit ring at Lowe's, and then I found a grate at Lowe's as well. And so I'm going to put those two together so that I can have a fire ring or a fire pit in my backyard. So that's the fire ring. It's about approximately 30 inches in diameter. And then over here, what I started doing was clearing out the rocks here. And I'm going to move that over to that. Once I clear out that spot, I'm going to lay some sand down. Then I'm going to put the rocks, the pile of rocks, back on top of that. And then I'm going to put my grate on top. So, all right, well, let's get started. So as you can see, I have already started clearing out some of the rocks in the area. So the goal here is I'm going to set the ring here and then backfill some of the rocks around the edges, then lay sand in the middle, and then put the rocks back on, some rocks back on top. So I've had my backyard landscaped with rocks many years ago, and it's been a blessing and a curse. It was a blessing at first, and now it's a curse. How about that? I'm going to see how my ring fits inside the circle I've made. Perfect. Now I'm going to pull some of these rocks back in around the ring. Whew, this is one of the curses of this rocks, is all the weeds that grows up through the rocks over the years. So it becomes a lot of maintenance. You may not be cutting your grass, but you'll be forever weeding and spraying for weeds and trying to get rid of weeds. Alrighty. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm just putting rocks around it. And now I need to go get my sand and put in the bottom of the pit first. Okie dokie, I have went and got my sand, and now I'm going to attempt to pour it into the ring. Now guys, this is a 50-pound bag of all-purpose sand, and this is what I was talking about when I said that women need to work out, not just walk and get on a treadmill. You need to lift weights, build some muscle, because if you don't have a man around, it becomes very difficult to lift heavy things. This is 50 pounds, and if you're not used to lifting that, yeah, you would be struggling. And who wants to do that? So, although I have my son around, he's at work right now, and he also has things that he has to get done. And if I waited for him so he could move things for me, I wouldn't get anything done or this video. All right, let me bring you in closer so you can see what this is looking like. Okay, so you can see I laid the sand there. So far it's looking pretty good. I'm liking this. Now I'm getting ready to move some of these rocks over into the pit. I just moved more rock on top of the sand. Now I'm going to get the grate that I bought to go inside. This is the grate that I found at Lowe's, and it just so happens to be the perfect diameter for this. And it has little cutouts right here on either side so that you can pick it up. This is also foldable. These legs on here are foldable so it can fold flat, so it becomes portable. So this is not a permanent pit. I can take this out and reuse it if need be. So let me bring you in for a closer look. There you go. That's how that looks. I'll have to center it a little better, but nonetheless, that should do the job, do the trick. I like that. All right, everyone. This is an inexpensive way to have a fire pit or a ring in your backyard. And if you have a bunch of rocks lying around, it's a great way to reuse them. All right, guys. So I'm losing my light. I just want to bring a quick video. And I will be demonstrating using my fire pit. I went and picked up some firewood and fire starter and everything. So I wanted to practice using firewood to cook. So that will be my next video, as well as setting up my camp kitchen while using my while using my newly built fire pit. So, it's been a long day, guys. Alrighty, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please show me some love. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.